channel, Naturally Lori. Welcome back to my channel. If you're returning and if you're new, hey girl, consider subscribing because I know you're gonna want to. You're gonna love my personality and you're gonna subscribe. So just to save time, do it now. So today's video is going to be a product haul. I haven't done one in forever, and actually it's more than just hair. It's like a lot of stuff. I got skincare, I got eye care, I got chapstick, I got a lot of stuff. So it's not a whole lot, but it's a fair amount. So let's just hop right on into it. I'm going to start off with hair stuff. And also before I get started, I do want to say just last week I did upload a chit chat get ready with me where I showed you how I got this, you know, little natural beat, and I refreshed my puff, and then I also have a video of how I got my puff, a tutorial. So if you look down below, you will see both of those videos in the description box below. So first things first, for hair, something that I've actually already used and why it was super important for me to go ahead and do this video is my coconut oil. It's the brand Better Body Foods, and it's naturally refined organic coconut oil, so it is refined, but it still works really well in my hair. I've actually never had a coconut oil before, so I was super excited to try this. It was only like $6-7 for this big old jar. It's 28 fluid ounces, and yeah, I've used a little bit. I actually gave my sister a nice healthy amount for herself, so that's why it's so much gone, but I really do like this. The next product that I have, you probably already seen it on my Instagram. I have this Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner with sea kelp and argan oil. I actually already used it for a wash and go. My wash and go was bomb. I did leave it in. I loved it. I actually paired it with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Conditioner. So I use conditioners, and my hair loved it, and I can't wait to use this again. This was the same price as the little short one, so it was just $7, but it's 50% more, and it comes with a coupon too. I don't know if the coupon has expired yet, but yeah, this Shea Moisture conditioner. And I really do love Shea Moisture conditioners. They work really well in my hair, and yeah, I like them personally, so, and I leave it in, so to each is its own. But yeah, I really do like this. The next product, again, I've used, it is a deep conditioner. It's the Unjackies. How do you do it like that? It's the Unjackies Cocoa Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. That's how it looks. And I want to do a review over this because I have used it, but I want to use it one more time before I do a review. But as you can tell, it's super thick. And comment down below and let me know if you want a review on this, because I would, you know, obviously love to give y'all one if y'all want it. And also, to cut in, let me know if you like, I don't know if I'm gonna always film right here, but let me know if you like this type of setup. I finally got a I guess a camera holder or a tripod, if that's what you would call it, and I ain't gotta sit over there on the floor anymore. Y'all didn't know, but that's where I would sit, over there by my closet where my fan is, right on the floor. So let me know if you like this new setup. But getting back into the stuff, the next product that I have is by Palmer's. It's the Natural Fusions Chia Seed and Argan Oil Hair Mask. I haven't used this yet at all. I'm excited to use it. It's actually a runnier consistency compared to the other one I showed you and the one I'm about to show you. So, but when I use it a couple times, I would definitely give y'all a review, because I haven't seen reviews on this line at all personally. But yeah, the next product that I have gotten is the Creme Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. Now you can tell I have been stocking up on hair masks, because that's actually the one thing I have the least of. I really don't deep condition that much, and I would like to change that. So yeah, I got this hair mask. This is what the front looks like. What is it made with? Yeah, it don't say on the front. Creamy shea butter. It got no sulfates and all that good stuff, no mineral oils. So yeah, and that's pretty much it for the hair stuff. So going into I guess skincare. I got 2 face masks. Both of them is by St. Ives. So I got the St. Ives Radiant Skin Pink Lemon and Mandarin Orange Scrub. Did I say mask or face wash? I don't know, but this is what it is. And then the other face wash is St. Ives Soft Skin with Avocado and Honey Scrub. I really do like St. Ives. I don't know if you can tell from right here, but right, I guess there, right where my finger is, I got 2 St. Ives. So I like them, and I like the way it cleans my face. I like the way it makes my face feel. So yeah, here we are. I really like these 2. I used, which one did I use? I think I used this one. I haven't used this one yet though, and I like this one. So next, for strictly skincare, I have this Up and Up brand. So it's the Target brand. Is it Target? I think it's Target. The Target brand deep clean toner, and it got, I can't talk, y'all, salicylic acid acne treatment, and it can be compared to the Clean and Clear Deep Cleaning Toner, and it treats and helps prevent pimples, cleans deep, and feels refreshing. I actually have used this one, and I really do like it. And I am excited to incorporate it into my skincare routine. I'm actually excited to finally have a skincare routine because I don't have one really. I just wash my face. But yeah, I'm excited to add this to it. And then the next product I have is the Fruit of the Earth aloe vera 100% gel. I got this from Walmart, and I am using this for skincare as well. So on my face, I've used it, I liked it, and I can't wait to keep using it in my skincare routine. Eventually I'll upload a video of my skincare routine once I finally get it how I like. I don't know, but yeah. And as you can see, I don't have like terrible skin. I just have like dark marks and like old pimples and stuff. So I heard aloe vera is really good with that type of stuff. So yeah, I got that. So before I move into like the last, I guess, group of stuff I got, I did get this Ren Pure Lavender and Honey body lotion. Now this lotion, this brand of lotions, is actually slightly runny, but it's organic or natural, I guess you could say. It has 0 sulfates, parabens, dyes, gluten, y'all know I can't talk, and all that. It ain't got none of that. And I actually already have the coconut the coconut milk and vitamin E lotion and body wash, and I got the shea butter and vanilla body wash as well. But I decided to get another lotion because although it's super lightweight, this handles dry skin. I haven't used this one. I used the other one like I just said, but it really does work, and I like it. So wanted to get another one, and it's like $5-6 for this big old jar, 24 fluid ounces. So I definitely recommend this if you have dry skin and you want to try something lightweight that which would not break you out. I don't have sensitive skin, but yeah. And then if you watched my chit chat get ready with me, you would have seen that I used Burt's Bees chapstick, and I showed you the 2 I actually do have over there, but I did buy a 4-pack. And if y'all didn't know, Burt's Bees chapsticks is like $3-4 per stick. So I got this 4-pack for $10. And I love Burt's Bees. I had one like medicated type of one. I used the whole thing up, the whole tube, so I bought another medicated one, and I bought a coconut and pear one, and then I just bought this 4-pack. So in this 4-pack, it has the pink grapefruit flavor, mango, it has coconut and pear, and then the last one is pomegranate. So like I just said, I'm currently using this one, but it's like a different one, you know what I'm trying to say? And I like it. And I think I've used the pink grapefruit, like just tested it out of this pack, and I really do like it. But like I just said, these individually is like $3-4, and this was $10, which is a deal actually. But you know, to each his own. Some people wouldn't want to spend $10 on chapstick, so I feel you, but I like it, and I definitely recommend it. Okay, y'all, so getting into the last 3 items I bought most recently. If y'all don't know, I wear contacts. I really need some glasses. I'm tired of contacts, but I do wear contacts. And my old contact container actually broke, so you know I needed new contact containers, so I bought these. Let me see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 containers came. I'm actually using one. It's actually right there, you can see it. I don't know if you can, I don't know if you care, but I bought containers. It's the Equate brand. I like Equate. I use a lot of stuff Equate. My wipes and stuff is Equate, so I did get these contact containers, and it was actually like a good deal, like probably like $2-3 for 6. So, and then the last thing I bought to go along with my contact containers is contact solution. So they're both by Equate. This is the saline solution for sensitive eyes, and it's for rinsing and storing soft contact lenses. And this one I really like. It's the Moisture Last multi-purpose solution, and it's for soft contact lenses, including silicone hydrogel lenses. And it cleans and conditions, removes protein, disinfects, rinses, for rinsing and storage, and it's comfort from insertion to remove them. And I can definitely agree to that. And it's sterile, so it cleans it. And this one more so moisturizes it, you know, just keeps it nice and hydrated. But this one actually sterilizes it, so I like this one more. But this one is good as well. And you see these big old jars, they're both 12 fluid ounces. Any other brand is easy $10 for this. This was literally like $5, $6, $7 each, which is good compared to like $10, $13, $14. So yeah, I adore contact solution because I need it. But I do plan on getting glasses very soon, so y'all may see a different look. Again, I haven't had glasses in a while though. But yeah, you guys, like I just said, I do have a tutorial on how to get this puff. I have a chit chat get ready with me on how I got this little, I guess, look, and how I refreshed my puff and how I'm preserving it at night. You can see that in the chit chat get ready with me. And that's it, you know. Again, link down below. And yeah, so give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I hope you did. I hope I introduced y'all to some new products if y'all haven't seen it. I'm sure y'all have seen the hair stuff, but the other stuff, you know, like the Burt chapstick, the contact solution, if you wear contacts, you know, just different options for y'all. So I really do hope I introduced y'all to different items. So yeah, again, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you use any of these products. If I introduced you to something new, just comment down below. I would love to talk to y'all. I like talking to y'all. Share this video with a friend. I almost forgot what to say. Share it with a friend and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I would really appreciate it if you did. And I want to see you in my next video, y'all. Bye.